Are you struggling to figure out what to eat for dinner to help manage your blood sugar? I've got you covered. Today we're talking about delicious low-carb dinner options that will keep your blood sugar steady, and they're quick and easy to make. I'm Dr. Morgan Nolte, founder of Zivli. We help you prevent and reverse type 2 diabetes through sustainable lifestyle changes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so that more people can see it. Dinner plays a huge role in managing your blood sugar, especially if you want to avoid nighttime spikes or high blood sugars in the morning. A meal that's high in carbs like pasta, rice, pizza, or bread can lead to a significant blood sugar rise before you go to bed. That spike can affect your sleep, leave you hungry, and even trigger cravings for sweets later on. Not ideal, right? But a low-carb, high-protein and fat meal helps keep those nighttime blood sugar levels stable, which means better sleep, more energy, and fewer cravings. Plus, protein and fat slow digestion, keeping you full and steady all night long. So, what is the best time to eat dinner? We recommend being done with eating dinner about 4 hours before you want to be asleep. So if bedtime is 9:30, we'd recommend dinner be done and you stop eating by 5:30. This gives your body enough time to digest and helps prevent elevated blood sugar levels while you sleep, setting you up to wake up feeling balanced and refreshed. Now that you know the importance of a low-carb dinner, let's get into a few different options that are quick to make so that you don't have to spend all night in the kitchen. One of my go-to meals is grilled chicken with roasted vegetables and avocado. This dish is low in carbs, packed with protein, and also has healthy fats and fiber. Place your chicken breast and chopped veggies like bell peppers and zucchini on a baking sheet, or you could just grill the chicken separately. But if you're doing it all together, you can drizzle it all with olive oil, use some salt and pepper, and then just roast it at about 400 degrees for 30 minutes. I like to slice up some avocado and put it on the side for more fiber and healthy fats because it helps keep me full and helps keep my blood sugars balanced. Next up is a really fast protein-packed dinner, which is stir fry with some cauliflower rice. Now you can use the meat of choice. You could use beef, chicken, or turkey, whatever you like. But this one's really great for when you're in a hurry but still want to eat well, and it makes a lot of leftovers for an easy lunch the next day. Start by cooking your meat in some olive oil, maybe some salt and pepper, and a little bit of garlic. Now once it's cooked, you can just toss in a bunch of frozen stir-fry vegetables and cook those until they're done. You can swap out regular rice for cauliflower rice. It's really low in carbs and it cooks very quickly. You can buy it frozen and then it's even easier to make and it saves you time. I like to make my own stir-fry sauce. It's really easy to make at home. You can just Google a recipe for it. But if you don't want to make your own sauce, you could just add some soy sauce or coconut aminos on top of the meat and vegetables and it would still be delicious. This meal is low in carbs, high in protein, and ready in under 20 minutes, which is perfect for a busy night. Now for something a little bit richer, which is baked salmon with asparagus and garlic butter. This is a nutrient-packed dinner that's great for blood sugar and heart health. You're gonna place your salmon fillets on a baking sheet with some fresh asparagus on the side, and then squeeze a little bit of lemon juice over the salmon for flavor. After that, you're gonna melt some butter with garlic and drizzle it over the salmon and asparagus. If you'd rather use olive oil, you could do that instead of the butter. Then bake all of that at 400 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the fish and asparagus is done. This dinner is not only rich in protein and healthy fats, but it's also packed with omega-3s that help reduce inflammation and keep your blood sugar stable. Now that you've got 3 easy and delicious dinner options, let's go over a quick checklist for planning your dinners throughout the week. Number 1 is to go low on carbs. Swap pasta, rice, and bread for veggies or cauliflower rice. Number 2 is to focus on protein. Get chicken, beef, fish, shrimp, and other meats so that every single meal has at least 30 to 40 grams of protein or about 5 to 6 ounces of meat or fish. If you don't have a scale on hand, you can use the size of your hand and cut up meat for reference on how much protein we recommend at each meal. Tip number 3 is to add some healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, nuts, or seeds to help slow digestion and help you stay full. Number 4 is to incorporate fiber. So think about vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and zucchini, but there's so many more to help with blood sugar control. You can download our free Ultimate Food Guide that has a ton of tables of non-starchy vegetables and protein options to help your meal planning just be a little bit easier and faster. There's a link in the description for that free Ultimate Food Guide. Give these quick dinners and especially the structure of these dinners a try and see how great you feel. Your blood sugar and your taste buds will definitely thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a little bit of dinner inspiration. See you next time.